All right, let's go talk about my gate that I'm fixing. So I've had this gate since the last time we got robbed. We've been robbed like 3 times, and I put it up for robbers, but it keeps breaking down. Now I need to get a screwdriver. Or did I get one? Yeah, I already got one. Okay. So it keeps breaking down. I've got power coming in here from an electric pole. Power supply. Little regulator, I guess, or something. I don't know what that does. I've never had problems with that. And the control board. This is where I always have problem, logic board. That's the second one I've put in. The first one just blew out because of lightning, and then here's my leads going to, oh, that's power. Here's my leads going to the linear actuator, which is right here. The linear actuator is not level. It's set down to where when water lands on it, it runs off and doesn't run in. Here's what I ended up with. So there's a fuse right there, 5-amp fuse. I've had to replace it a couple times. Right there. So transformer, whatever that is. Then I have the deal with the antenna is the open close, and then I have this forward reverse relay module. These are like $17 on Amazon. It just hooks into your remote control. And I've got this little generic transmitter, 434 hertz. The controller in there programs to each of these, so you can buy a dozen or whatever. A opens, B closes. You got to hold it. Some of the advantages are if I have someone, oh shoot. Some of the advantages are, I just blew the dang fuse. That sticks shut. There we go. Some of the advantages are I can open it up if I got someone coming over, and it stays open. I don't have to worry about it. And then close it here. Some of the disadvantages are of doing it this way. You got to hold it the whole time to close it. Right, and to open it. So that's a disadvantage, but it's simple. The parts are simple. I think the transmitters are a couple bucks a piece. The receiver's probably 15-20 bucks, and then the switch relay is probably 20 bucks. So really simple system. See how the gate is in line with the road and there's not a block out to pull up to? I built that for one simple reason. So anyone that parks on this property has to block the road. That way it's just less likely a thief's going to park here or change a tire or anything without causing a disruptance and everyone knowing someone's here, right? That's the reason I didn't put the block out. A lot of gates you see have a block out where you can pull a trailer in, or you can drive up, open the gate without blocking the road. I didn't do that. I didn't want that. Also, this gate, if you look here, this is how you lock it. You run it through the hole and clip it on the end. That's how I do it. This gate, I've got this. This is what we're fixing on this gate. I've got this angle iron right here. Can you see it?
Yeah.
It's wired so it doesn't swing out into the road if the wind is blowing just right. we'll take this off. I'm going to weld a piece here so it's a positive system on the gate itself, on the H brace. This gate, see, if you do it like this, it swings out into the road if the wind blows just right. So that's what we're fixing on this gate. Let's tack it right here and then we'll see if it works. Probably about like that, right? Can you see anything that far away? Should I put it, let me put it out just a little more. About like that. Like that. Hey, Kellen, will you fire watch? Make sure I don't catch fire. I put these good thick duty hinges that have a grease zerk in it, and it's a light gate. The problem is putting a heavy gate on these is they don't ever work right. The gate will suck down the poles. I've seen it over and over. I'll show you a few examples, but let's test it out. Yep, that'll work good. And then to close it, I just push down. Run this through and put my lock on. All right. I've got these hinges on there. They fell off. Let's fix this one. You might have to move. Tools. again, it's a light gate. You go to building heavy gates and putting them on, you're gonna have problems. I'm gonna lift this up a little bit. Like that. Maybe a little more. And then, probably a good idea there. Put it on first. Also, if you notice the placement on this gate, it's not to an outside road. You have to go through that gate to get to this gate. I did that on purpose too. It's sometimes inconvenient if there's cars parked here, but I don't want people being able to pull off the road into the pasture. Again, a security thing is the way I built it. Just put it on here. Good, and weld it up good. What a shock. Now I can tack it in better and weld it. Life's a struggle. Always got to be a struggle. Well, I'm not going for perfect. Let's weld that. All right, that's tacked in place good. Let's see what it does. Beautiful. All right, I like it. Try this one. Yeah, that'll work good. It opens up to about like that. Pretty level. So when I'm winding up my cord, I give it a half a twist this way, half a twist this way, half a twist this way, half a twist this way. That way when you pull it off, the twists counteract each other. You got one twist this way, one twist this way, so they don't kink up.
Tangle?
All right, let's look at these gates. There's a light gate right there. That works good. And then you have this one right here. That heavy gate. See that heavy gate? See that strap on it? Good gate. See how heavy that gate is? And it sucked that pull over, so they put that strap on there. And then right across the street, you have this one. Hey, that's a great gate. But again, they didn't. This has been like that ever since I've been here, 20 years, and that house sold, so I know they didn't do that, but their foundation is bad on that. Let's look at that one. That's a good gate. Well built, good corners, light gate. Not a beauty contest winner, but it's a good gate. Here's another good one right here. Right there's a good gate. A heavy gate, it's a slider, right? So, you got a winner there for beauty and functionality, and it's a heavy gate. Here's another one down here. Everyone's got gates down here. I think people have been robbed a bunch. Another slider here. Probably the same people that built the other one. Nice little gate. Woo. 20 pounds of booze. Some advantages and disadvantages of all of them, but if you're going to build a gate, just set those posts deep in concrete if you're going to put a heavy gate on. That's the only advice I got for you. Or make a slider if you want a heavy gate. Otherwise, just build light gates or buy light gates. Those are from Tractor Supply, but yeah, that's the video.